Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the Ethernet keeps disconnecting on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Here's the thing. First of all, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek one and then select Update Drivers and then search automatically for drivers. This is one solution. Make sure that the drivers are up to date. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Troubleshoot in the right pane and select Other Troubleshooters. Click on the corresponding to the Network and Internet Troubleshooter. Okay, this is the part where we are fixing it with the system. Now, I do not go to other solutions like resetting WinSock network reset because that is not the point. If it is an issue with the adapter, if the Ethernet is disconnecting, then the issue is either between the connection between the router and the system, or it is with the drivers. So we have already updated the drivers, and you can pull your computer closer to the router and see if it helps. If not, then check whether the connection is good enough on other devices. So this is all you can do from your end. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.